Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and today in this video I am going to discuss about a recent update on Dearness Allowances, that's consideration of central government employees. So friends, it's a really good news for central government employees and as well as government employees of all states, because according to AICPIN or consumer price index, the index has already risen by 4% till January to June. So the DA will be increased by Dussehra as per news sources. Actually, the central government is thinking or considering about increasing the Dearness allowances and Dearness relief for government employees and pensioners by 4% this month. So friends, by Dussehra and from tomorrow Dussehra will be started, or sorry, Navratri will be started, and by before Dussehra the government will increase or will approve the increase of 4% Dearness allowances and Dearness relief. So since the Diwali is in next month, so government is planning to provide a gift or in form of Dearness allowances or hike in salary before Diwali. So by the Sahara or by a week, the central government will increase existing Dearness allowances or Dearness relief from 42% to 46%, and it will be benefited for lakhs of government employees and pensioners. Also, it is to believe that the government will rise Dearness allowances from 1st July 2023, and remaining 3 months arrear will be provided to government employee by this month's salary or October month's salary by November 2023 before Diwali. So friends, it's really a very good news, and we are assuming of order or approval for Dearness allowances relief or increase by 4%. So friend, stay tuned with us. Thank you.